I just want to show you what this house is looking like. It's nasty. Okay, so we got these are just like they're like nips. They're like a shot. So really like different flavors. Yeah, but we got this thing full to pack in the barrel. And this is what my living room is looking like, and it's stressing me out. I don't like seeing this, bro. I don't know where to start. Okay, the next barley outside, and I really need to get started with this because the barley need to ship off. This is crazy. This is too much. This is my fashion overhaul. I did half of that, and the next half down here still not do yet. All right, so I'm gonna do that in a minute. Oh, let me put these stuff back. Look at my sink. Watch out. The water in the sink keeps coming up, Virgin. Like from yesterday, I can't wash no plate because the sink just clog instant, like no warning, you know, just clog up instant. And then we try plunging it. We take off the thing under here, and we open it up, and there was nothing in there. So we called the landlord. He gave us some stuff to throw in it, and when we did that, the water just started coming up, flood out the whole house. As you see, no carpet is in here right now because I had to wash them. And then he said he's gonna get someone to come today and fix it, but the water keep coming up, so I have to keep bailing it out every minute. Look, this full. Every minute me have to bail it up, because if I don't do that, then the whole house flood out again. Whatever kind of water this is, I don't even know. But listen, child, that's the vibe right now, okay? That's just it. Just in case y'all was wondering what I was doing, I was using the smaller clothes. Yeah, I was using the smaller stuff them to tie the barrel. So basically push them down so that the stuff them don't shake, you know. And then now we can get it flat. So I'm gonna just put stuff. Just put things on top of it. After all of this packing, we still have all of this grow. Oh God. All of this over here, so. And this full to the brim. This one. This is my attempt of trying to pack this big ass box.
I don't know.
What's up, my beautiful people?
This is gorgeous. This is
It
nice.
is. I'm sorry. I'm checking out.
That one here.
Every time I post a vlog, I watch it just to see if I made any mistake or anything like that. So I was just checking my Shein all out. So guys, please go watch that, like it, comment, okay? I work hard. And that one, oh my god, editing with hauls is hard. It is truly hard. Right now I'm trying to edit a fashion overhaul, and let me tell you, I am trying. Trust me. One thing with trying to do YouTube, it's gonna teach you a lot. It will definitely teach you a lot, because I am learning hella stuff I did not even think about before. The only thing I know for the on my phone is answer it, send to message, snap, and that's it. That is it. But now I'm utilizing that bitch like may I get my money's worth. So anyway, we're here today, 3 days before my birthday. Happy birthday to you. I am excited, but I'm not excited because I'm really gonna be celebrating in Jamaica. All right. Anyway, guys, enough foolishness. We have some packages. But I don't know if they're mine because you see, I am waiting on some stuff from Amazon, some stuff from Shein, and some stuff from Forever 21. But for some reason I keep getting packages that says Kadisha East. So I'm telling you, every one of them said Kadisha East, but they don't belong to me. Kadisha East again. Let's hope one of these packages at least is mine, because you can't find my scissors, so we will use this. These are underpants, Fruit of the Loom underpants. I wonder what's in this now. So guys, it's called the 80s 90s sunglasses. It is 2 pair in 1, brown and clear, and both of them is for $13.99. And that is it right here. To me, they look way better on the app than they do in person, but we're about to try it anyway. So we have it here. This is really 80s 90s, and if I saw that, I would have not. It is so old school, so retro, nothing too fashionable, and it's lean. It's lean. Yeah, I think I'll send these back. Can you send back glasses? They're not bad, but they're lean. They're lean and they're so close to my eye right now, and I'm not wearing any eyelashes, and they're touching my eye. And we got the white, well, the clear. I think the clear is the reason why I bought it, because I'm like, I have no clear glasses and I need a clear glasses to wear in the nighttime. But yeah, this is this way on my face. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this literally stuck this side to my face and this side is way out. Like, what in the world is that? No, it's falling off. No, it's like, look. Oh yeah, these are going right back. I don't even want to. No, not my $13. Let's put them back in the package they came in. Are you done? Alright, let's try something else. These are the life leaders. Almost throw away something in the box. Alright, so these are the Fruit of the Loom wife beaters. We're gonna see how they look. They look good. I really don't want to pull these out, you know. The material feel really good, thick. It's giving. I don't want to open them because I'm about to pack them to carry them home and tying them back up. It's gonna be too much, but the material is very good so far. I don't know if you don't want to know if you don't want to know anything about them, let me know down in the comment and I'll give you all the information. Alright, but them glasses here, don't waste the money, don't. Okay, we have another sunglasses. I wonder if this is my bougie glass. So this one came single, and this one was $17.99, baby. See that? $17.99, and it's that. So you can see it's giving bougie. It's giving shmoney. But we don't really pay the shmoney fee, right? Yeah, and this is called Man or Woman Trendy Retro Sunglasses Oversize. That's it. Ooh, is it Versace? I don't know. Guys, tell me what this is. Is this the dupe for? Because Versace is the head thing, right? But trust me, oh, this look good for me because this quality here, it's heavy, it's thick. Feels like money. Feels like you pay more than $20 for it. It look like you pay more than $20. Hey, talk to me nice. Hello. You can't tell me someone pay $19 for this. Why does nose ring keep on up? Anyway, guys, I'm so sad right now. I just lose like how much footage. I can't, but I don't understand why that keep happening, bro. I just don't get it. It's like the devil just a try piss me off. You know them with it? It just keep on happening, baka like. And then I don't like doing stuff over because I just like doing stuff naturally. You know what I mean? Like if I'm doing a review, me I show you the things them, I just want to go to my honest first impression. No, if do it over back is just a joke. I don't like that. That shit pisses me off and just make you want to give up. And man, I'm not gonna do it. But I know that I go on, but I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, hello. Yeah, it's like me I cook not too long, how much in footage just disappear. And it was pissing me off so bad for just stop. But listen, the devil is a liar. It's not gonna happen. It's not. Like I just lost so much. Me don't open up this already. Me they are telling about it from the beginning. Before me open it, I was telling you guys, showing you guys the price and everything. And then we did a chat little. Oh my god, I lost all of that. But because I cannot go over what I was saying. I don't even remember. But what I know is we can go back into the app and show the ear. It's this style right here. Oh, I was telling you guys that I follow this girl on YouTube. She does hair review and she get this and she got it in a 250 density and she had to send it back. It was thick. It was like this big. So she's like, nah, she has to send that back. she sent it back and she got the regular density and it was good, you know. It was still thick, but it was good, which I think so too, because I don't like big poofy hair. Hold on. Anyway, like I was saying, this is the wig right here. I know it is not coming off. Okay, this is the wig. I bought 26 inches regular density and I got it for $286. And shipping was really fast. I bought it like 2 nights ago. He told me it was coming on the 21st of December, but it's here already. If you guys get to see the first reaction, you will understand. But like I said, I lost all that footage. So this is what it came in. It is really pretty. And like I was telling you guys before, Ali Pearl is one of the best vendors on Amazon. Hair vendors on Amazon. This is how it look on the inside. Y'all know that. Ooh, we get no things. We get a brush. Set up at the ear store for about $5, so we get one free one. What is this? We get this little thing right here. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna see. What on the Pearl go with itself, man? It is a mirror. Oh my god. This is a magnified mirror. This is showing you all the bumps and bruises in your face. But I like the mirror here. Death to this mirror. Oh my god. And you get this headband, says Ali Pearl on it. You get wig caps, 2 wig caps, and then you get the hair bag. And then we have the hair, and that is it. So we're gonna see. So we get 26 inches, right? Yeah. Oh my god. I'm not gonna do too much with it because I'm not wearing it until, yo, it is so soft, and it is 26 inches. The length is right. Look how long this thing is. I am a tall girl, y'all know that, and my hand is stretched all the way up. Not too much now. It's stretched all the way up, and it is still long, right? So yeah, it is true to length. Let's see what's but the lace is lacing. Like I said, I saw the girl put this on her skin and it friggin' disappeared. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, lace wear. That shit is I've been wanting one of these. Grab and go. You just show this bitch on your head and go about your business. And it come pre-styled, pre-plug, pre-bleach, pre-everything. You just show it on and then you're gone. And it's what they call the one that's from ear to ears. It's that type of lace. And it go all the way back. Do you see that? The style is crazy. Somebody is doing too much. Me, I'm gonna catch it up higher, and I'm gonna add 1 bundle to this to make it fluffy. That's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, this is the vacay here. So yeah, let me put this up and see what's next. Yeah. Okay, so we have another box. Like I said, I'm not sure if this one belongs to me, but may I open it anyway. I'm in a business, man. I'm a bad man. Oh, that's why the wig looks in her bag. Why I can't find my thing? Can't find my scissors, man. I found it for you. How much something by here? my shirt to buy? What on there? See, I'm buy 2 shirts on Amazon, give me 2 times. Because I'm sure I see that pack of shirt you coming already. Yes, so a 2 time. A 2 time buy the freaking shirt. Buy one with 6. 6. 2 time I buy it, guys. I'm just keep them, give them to somebody else. Because the first set I bought all those for someone. And then I'ma just find uncle, brother. No, I'm buy from my brother already. Buy from my uncle already too. I buy for everybody already, so this shit need to go back. I buy everybody else one at that place. I remember that place. But yeah, that's that. Now I go on the back now, but start the return for them there. Try them go old school tomorrow, go drop them off. And then order back one of these. I wonder if I could get this in a clear. I need a clear glasses, man. I need a clear. Alright guys, I think that's it for tonight. I don't really have nothing else to do tonight. Okay, so I will see you guys in the morning. What's up, my beautiful people? It is Friday, December the 5th. Can you believe it? I did not know that tomorrow was my birthday. Can your life be so fucked up that you did not know that when is your birthday? Like, that's crazy to me. That's crazy. It is freezing outside. It is actually snowing today. Yeah, is that a blessing? I'm gonna take it as a blessing because everything else is so bad. Thank you, love. Everything else is so crazy. I'm just gonna say this snow is a blessing. So I was talking to you guys yesterday, last night, and I'm like, a couple of days is my birthday and da 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 da, not knowing that yesterday was Wednesday. Crazy. So my friend called me today because my plan today was to go get my car clean. My plan for Thursday, which I thought was tomorrow, was to go get my car clean, go get my nails done, go do my hair, you know, get all dolled up for Thursday night. Probably go have some drinks, read my birthday, and then Friday. Ooh, boy, wait, sorry. and then on Friday, on my birthday, I just chill because I don't really want to do too much on the day. You know what I mean? So I ended up going to work today. My friend called me and she's like, so what's the plan for later? I'm like, I'm not doing nothing today. Tomorrow. She's like, I thought you was doing something Thursday night and you didn't want to do anything Friday, whatever. I'm like, I am. Tomorrow is Thursday. She's like, no, today's Thursday. I'm like, what? But I've been in a weird place recently, so I just know that I'm not in the birthday mood. I'm not in any kind of mood. I just want to go home. I just can't wait to get to Jamaica because that's when I'm gonna have some fun. But right now, nah, it's not happening. But they want to go do something, so I just went and go get my nails done. When you see someone do French tip for their birthday, you know it's a wrap. when you see the excitement nails come out, it's a wrap. No excitement in my body right now. But just know, say yes, more celebrate. I wanna bust a buckle at least. You have to bust a buckle for your birthday. You have to. Like, it's law. So I just want to bust a buckle, smoke some hookah, look cute. Well, not too cute because them birds cannot look cute. No way. So I can't even dress up because the birds them still in my head. And I guess just chill. wake up tomorrow morning, pray to God, thank Him for another life, another year, I should say, and go on with my daily life. And then when I go to Jamaica now, yeah, guys, but that is it. I basically did not remember that it was my birthday tomorrow. I know that is the weekend, but I did not know it was tomorrow, if you understand. Yeah. So, why? I'm hungry. $4.19. I got off early today. I have not eaten all day. I'm left work and go do them meals there. I try catch up. I try to see if I can at least look decent later, so I can at least take one picture. You understand? That's what I'm talking about, guys. You see 2 Berlin pack, we still have all of this right here, so I may try to avoid carry the bag of suitcase them, but everything pack and stuff. Like this is, I mean, I think this can, nothing more can go into this. Nothing, oh, nothing. Them here worse. Them here can't even press down because alone can things stuff up the whole of this, so this is the same thing. So, and then over this, so full of clothes, right? Full of clothes to deal with. In here, so grown. 1 box of clothes over this stuff to sort out. It's too much. Everything is just too much. Oh. Yeah, so I'm not feeling that vibe. I'm just not. So I didn't get to show you guys my nails. What y'all think? Them so one place you can't hide the age, you know. Tell me how old I will be tomorrow. Anyway, what y'all think? Oh, I wanted to ask you guys, isn't French tip pink acrylic then white acrylic? I told her I wanted French tip, right? She said okay. Then I see her put pink tips, pink acrylic, and white Q-Tex. And I'm like, I don't want Q-Tex. She's like, that's, you said you want French tip. And I'm like, yes, pink and white acrylic. She's like, no, that's not the way it's done. And I'm like, when did this change? Because the white Q-Tex are gonna start peel off quick and then make the nails just look messed up. But anyway, it is cute. I like it. Like the look of detail that she did on it. Yeah, so that's that. Anyway, let me go figure out what I'm about to do. How are you in this lane, sir? Anyway, guys, later.